Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS text decorations. And right now, we'll be discussing about how to specify a CSS style for the decoration line. The text decoration line style property is used to set the style of the decoration line. So let me show you what I'm talking about, because I don't want long grammars. Right here, you can find the playlist in our channel, which is this, and also the CSS text decoration playlist. Then you are going to find everything you have to know about all this in deep details. So right now, if you notice very well, we are having doing and we gave it underline. You can see this color we gave it, and also here is the code right here. But one thing I want you guys to notice is that this underline we are seeing right here, we can change the underline to another thing. Like sometimes we can have different type of underline. So that's what I'm here to tell you. This is just a brief introduction to it, so you can know that this one is just a line, but we can still have another thing. Like if you want a double line, or you want zigzag lines, or you want like something that will look like arrow, something like that will look somehow different to these straight lines. We can have more than that. So that's why we are going to be using our CSS text decoration style property to do. So please, I want you guys to stay focused and stay tuned. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye. To the next.